Making your content mobile friendly. The Optimize for Mobile Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase you've likely heard quite a bit, especially if you're involved in digital content creation or marketing. Optimize for mobile. We're going to break down what this phrase means and why it's incredibly important in our increasingly smartphone-dominated world. So, let's get started. First things first, let's dissect the phrase, optimize for mobile. To optimize, something means to make it as effective, perfect, or useful as possible. When we talk about mobile, in this context, we're referring to mobile devices like smartphones and tablets. So, putting it all together, to optimize for mobile means to adjust or design your website, app, or content to ensure it works seamlessly and looks great on mobile devices. You might wonder, why all the fuss about mobile optimization? Well, the answer lies in the stats. A significant portion of internet traffic comes from mobile devices. This means that a large chunk of your audience will likely view your content on a smaller screen. If your content isn't optimized for these devices, you risk providing a poor user experience, which can lead to higher bounce rates and lower engagement. In simpler terms, if your content doesn't look good or work well on a phone, people are less likely to stick around. So, what does it mean to optimize your content for mobile? Here are a few key elements to consider. Responsive design. This means your content should automatically adjust to fit the screen size of the device it's being viewed on. Whether it's a phone, tablet, or desktop, your content looks good and is easy to navigate. Fast loading times. Mobile users expect quick access to information. Optimizing images, leveraging caching, and minimizing code can help your site load faster. Simplified navigation. On a smaller screen, complex menus can be frustrating. Simplify your site's navigation to improve user experience on mobile devices. Readable content. Ensure your text is easily readable without needing to zoom in. This might mean using larger fonts and more whitespace on mobile versions of your site. Thankfully, you don't have to be a tech wizard to optimize for mobile. Many website builders and content management systems, CMS, offer mobile-optimized themes right out of the box. Additionally, tools like Google's Mobile-Friendly Test can help you see how your site performs on mobile devices and identify areas for improvement. In conclusion, optimizing for mobile is no longer optional, it's a necessity. With the majority of internet users accessing content through mobile devices, ensuring your content is mobile-friendly can significantly impact its success. We hope this video helps you understand the importance of mobile optimization and gives you a good starting point for making your content shine on every device. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making your digital content the best it can be. See you in the next video.